Now inside the great room area, the slider leading out to the 5-acre parcel. This home is nicely centered on the property, giving the maximum amount of privacy. You have that all-important single bay sink, quartz counters, all the stainless appliances are included. Ductless heat pump system with multiple heads throughout. Stainless range and range hood. Tasteful laminate flooring throughout. Lighting fixtures are an excellent choice. Your control for the ductless heat pump system there. Moving back to the guest bathroom with tub shower combination. Good sized soaker tub in here. Always great to have that. It's extra width, it's tiled around. Got the window to the outside. And then the vanity here is also quartz counters. Has good storage. Very efficient and nicely laid out guest bathroom. And then on to one of the guest bedrooms. Nice and light. The paint is all in great shape. Closet there. Good size closet. The controller for the ductless heat pump head in this room. You see there on the right. This is not one of the bedrooms. It is an office. It has its own cadet heater in here. Access to the outside, kind of cool that you have separate access to that office space. The other downstairs bedroom. So it is 3-bedroom, 2-bath with the office and utility room. Another ductless heat pump head in here. Great natural lighting. There's that controller. The utility right by one of the entrances, the back entrance. Everything ready for your washer and dryer. Water heater, it's perfectly installed. You can see the drain pipe goes to the outside of the home envelope. And then right here you have an area for kind of a seating area as you come in, just in case you need an area to hang coats, put a little bench, come in from the outside. And then this leads to the second floor and the primary bedroom. And before we head up, I will show you that the new well, this is the controls and the pressure tank for that well. There's a rock screen and everything else you need. Nice to have it in here where it's easily kept warm. Access to the crawl space is right in this closet too. Upstairs in the primary, another one of the heads for the ductless heat pump system. 3 heads inside, 3 separate controllers. And the view up here on a clear day is absolutely breathtaking. You can see 3-finger jack. It is shrouded right now, but it is a cool view when it's perfectly clear here from multiple windows. Really have to see it to appreciate it. This is a very big primary. Enough room to have a little seating area, an office if you need, a king-size bed with no problem. Very bright, with a big soaker even here in the primary with that tile surround. Have a cadet in here to keep it nice and warm. And for privacy, there's a door and helps with the climate control too. Nicely separated, well laid out, upstairs primary. Standing here in the graveled drive, looking at this brand new home, fresh paint, everything in perfect condition. This home has a new well and septic system. Certificate of occupancy was just completed for this 2024 build. It's great that it has been placed directly in the center of this 5-acre parcel, giving maximum privacy. And with all this gravel, you have lots of parking for all your vehicles, trailers, and then room if somebody wanted to build a shop. Kind of the best location, it appears, is over here at the end of this hammer turn. You could put a pull-through shop and drive right out onto Frog Court, have a door on both ends, so you don't have to back out. You just pull straight in from either direction and out. There is the septic tank lid. Septic and drain field are out of the way. So as you add other structures, change parking situation, you've got lots of room to work with. The deck off of the great room area. Composite decking, always awesome to have that. Don't have to do any staining. The upkeep is quite simple. The heat pump, ductless heat pump compressors. You have the one for the upstairs, and then this one for the heads downstairs, which it takes care of 2 heads. The one upstairs takes care of the one in the primary. Moving around, there's this storage shed, has power, 10 by 20. Really in great shape, perfect for keeping your landscaping equipment out of the weather. The new wellhead. Just an awesome home. Really aesthetically pleasing, suits this ranch style area, and Crooked River Ranch fits in very well with the aesthetic of the neighborhood. Crooked River Ranch's amenities are really second to none. HOA fees are cheap and take care of the roads, give you access to trails, parks, endless public land. There's a swimming pool, clubhouse. The golf course is great, and living out here gets you a discount for that golf. This is one of the closer in homes on the ranch. You can be into Terrebonne in under 10 minutes, into Redmond in 15 minutes, to Bend in less than 30, and Sisters is about 25 minutes. The location is great. The lot is level. The trees allow great privacy, and it's just ready to go.